What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to save YouTube videos to playlists, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So without any further ado, let's jump straight to the topic. So as you know, you are having playlists on YouTube, and basically they are already pre-made playlists, but you have your own playlist and watch list for which you can save videos to watch later or whatever. So as you can save the YouTube videos to playlists, you can also save the YouTube Shorts video to playlists as well, and it's a quite simple process. So guys, make sure to stay until the end of the video. So I already made a picture of it. I took a screenshot, and as you can see over here there is a red line which I added, and it's pointing to these three dots. When you press on these three dots, what you need to do is just easily press add to playlists. So overall guys, that's the entirety of the process. So you can view your playlists when you go to the bottom right corner and when you press on your image where it says you, and as you can see over here there are playlists watch later, which you can just enter and watch the videos and shorts you add to your playlist. So overall guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our future tutorials. Goodbye.